Whenever like these kind of the females, they deliver nearest time, so they leave these females to outside to wherever they can feel comfortable and make it and deliver it. Yeah. After a few days.
Is it going back to the farm?
Yeah.
Okay,
to combat counterfeit goods and protect intellectual property rights. And the UK is getting serious.
And maybe you will see my friends also, my wild friends. You know Bambi?
Yeah.
Deer.
You have Bambi here?
Yes, we have here. But if you have good eyes, and maybe we are lucky. Sometimes you cannot see the deer here.
Yeah.
No, means like they're sitting next to you, but you don't know. Means like, you know, there's a lot of bushes.
Yes, so they are eyed before.
Yeah, they hide from us like that. And the color also, this Bambi, it is like sand color.
Okay.
Yesterday we saw a Bambi baby, like very small, and we was very close, but mostly you can't go because when you go a little bit close to Bambi, they run from you.
Oh yeah, I guess.
They're scared, and they are like bullet, you know.
Yeah, they are afraid.
Everyone okay?
Oh yeah. Wow.
But I always like talking to you, so if you ever want to reach out and say hi, 6887. Just speaking to you. Now, Anita, tell me what's so special about this week. Oh, it's a big week for her. Now, I know that you're a supportive mummy and you love her. Have you got a little message you want to send out to her?
Oh, there is camera over there.
Coming back home.
cook double the amount of food.
I'm doing that anyway. Keeping all my clothes all over the floor.
Well, look,
Oh, the Bombay you can see. Oh,
Oh my god! Oh, fast!